Okay, so now I have put together a few samples from my 4-bar blues pack to create my own mix. So you can see that mine last for 37 bars. The numbers on the top, these indicate how many bars it is being played for. Okay, so if I zoom in on here, you can see it in a bit more detail that it lines up for each bar. So I'm going to zoom out so you can see it all. And let's have a listen. Okay, so I'm fairly happy with that. I think I might want to extend the drums a little bit so they finish at the same time as the bass guitar. And then I've tried to achieve an effect where I've built up the texture here and then it's fading out at the end. However, to help with that fading out, I think I'm going to change the volume of some of them. And now I can do that nice and simply here with this button. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and then these lines turn up and I can see that it says volume. So these envelopes help me control the volume of each sample. So if I click 2 dots, okay, so then anything before this dot will stay same, and I'm going to move this down now to achieve a fade out on them parts. So I'm going to do it on anything that's still playing around this time. Now I don't need to do it for the bottom 2 lead guitars because they are not playing then. So I'm going to take them envelopes off and then I'm just going to listen to it from about here so I can hear that effect. Okay, so I'm happy with that now and I'm happy to submit that. So all I need to do is click save and that will save my work and then I'm going to submit it. And once I've submitted it, that is it. It's been handed into the teacher and then the teacher can see the work.